Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Ford F-150 Super Crew. This is the XLT edition. Go ahead and drop this down, take you for a tour. The LED headlights don't really flicker like that to the human eye. It's just the refresh rate on the camera that makes it look like that. You have alloy wheels, Nerf bar running boards. Let's have the FX4 package, so it'll have the skid plates and all that kind of great stuff. Obviously a tow package, plastic bed liner, power sliding back window. This one is an Ecoboost. Just have charcoal gray fabric interiors, additional power supplies here and back. Go ahead and give you a shot of the VIN. So you have 1,497 miles on this vehicle with 60 engine hours. Okay, so right here we have the toggle for that. Okay, you also have your push to talk and your volume station control for your infotainment center. If you want to see the backup camera, there we go. Gorgeous backup camera. For audio, for your sources, you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, CD, and Bluetooth. You bounce back home, you can see your different apps and your settings. So, come down here, you've got your 2- and 4-wheel drive toggle, your comfort controls, you have your shifter, cup holders, additional stowage. Hop out. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact up here. The airbag did deploy, but there was no structural damage. We were able to get it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.